the Tesmanian Tesla floor mats.
Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, I'm going to go over an accessory for the Tesla Model Y. This is one of the accessories I usually put on my vehicles when I first get them. It's the Tesmanian floor mats. So let's take a look.
This version is compatible with model years 2020 through 2023 and will fit the 5-seater configuration. They also make a set for the 7-seater. These are designed to protect your floors from spills, stains, dirt, mud, and snow. Made of premium thermoplastic elastomer compound TPE, 100% odorless, BPA-free, non-toxic, and eco-friendly. Deep molded tread pattern, skid-resistant surface, stable, easy to clean. High vertical walls. The set includes driver's side, passenger side, rear seats, front trunk cargo, rear trunk cargo, and the rear trunk well.
So looking at the driver's side here, you can see the footrest. There's great coverage here. There's a lot of other brands that pretty much cut it halfway and you don't get that full coverage. So a lot of the debris will fall behind it. And under the pedals, you can see, there's good coverage there as well. The mats go all the way up. And as far as, the side here, the lip, there's some good overlap. And it has some good tread pattern for all the dirt and debris. Now going on the other side, this is the front passenger. You can see the tread pattern. Again, good coverage on the side and the front. And you can see the side here. Moving to the rear passenger, good coverage as well. You can see that the sides are raised, so it's going to prevent the debris from going to your carpets. And the tread pattern is the same as the front. Taking a look at the front, there's good coverage here. It fits well. And just to give you an idea, it is flexible, feels durable, and the tread pattern is the same throughout. And an installation, simple, just slide it and tuck it into place. Looking at the cargo liner, you can see that there's good coverage all around. Again, the tread pattern is the same. There's a crease right here in the middle, so it makes opening and accessing the trunk well easily. Flexible, it's light, easy to remove if you want to wash it down if it gets dirty. And then opening up the trunk well, you can see it folds nicely. And then you have the trunk well liner as well. Similar to the front, and it's raised on the side, so there's good coverage. So overall, I definitely recommend the Tesmanian floor mats. I've had them in my previous vehicle on a 2020 Tesla Model 3. They work great through the various seasons, especially winter if you want to protect that carpet. And then again, one thing that attracted me to these floor mats, on the driver's side, there's good protection on that footrest. It just beats the competitors as far as the coverage for that side. So that's my review of the Tesmanian floor mats for the Tesla Model Y.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.